How to show network speed in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can show network speed in Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to actually show the network speed in Samsung Galaxy devices, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then actually open up settings. But unfortunately, Samsung Galaxy devices does not give you the option by default. Even though One UI is full of so many features that other OEMs and stock ROMs don't provide, I don't understand why they could be missing a status bar feature where you can see your network speed, because sometimes that is really important to the user. But there are other ways to get it. If the stock ROM doesn't provide it, third-party app is always the way on Android. So you can download Internet Speed Meter Lite, and once done, open the application. The only permission that it requires is notification permission, so you can assume it's totally safe. Tap on grant permission, tap and allow, and here you will, right after that, you will be able to see the network speed indicator, and you'll also see them on the notification panel. The only downside is that it is going to run in the background. That is going to drain 1% or 2% of your battery. But if you really need that feature, this is the only way to do it, because the stock ROM doesn't provide it unless you are a little bit of a pro and then you know how to install custom ROMs and stuff, which I'm not going to get into this. You can actually do that. So you can tap the three dots option and go to preferences and view other options if you'd like that as well. This way you can show network speed in Samsung. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.